Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. We are back. It's been a long 2 weeks without Kaizer Chiefs ball, without Nabi ball. We are finally back. Taking on Sekhukhune United, which is going to be a very, very difficult game. Sekhukhune United have the best attack so far in the league. They are the best team in the league. They are on top. They are the only better team than us currently, so this is going to be a very, very huge test. I hope the international break didn't mess with our form, because we started the season really, really well. 4 wins out of 5, 0 goals conceded. That's a dream start. So let's continue where we left off. This is going to be a very, very difficult game. Sekhukhune United are a very good team with good players. I think they currently have the best attack in the league with Keletso Magalwa, Bradley Grobler, Vusimbozi Mncube, the middle of the park, the likes of Chabang Monare, experienced, Linda Mtambo, Miguel Team. They are a really, really good team, well coached team. Eric Tinkler is doing a very, very good job. So this is going to be a difficult game, but I think we have the confidence. I think we are in a good form. We can take on every team right now. So let's go straight to the predicted starting 11. Brendan Peterson in goals, of course. I think we're going to keep the same back four. Chabiso Mnyane on the right. Paseka Mako, who won the man of the match against Golden Arrows. Inacio Miguel and Zichakwinika have been doing quite well. Eden McCarthy is back, and he was doing really well before he picked up an injury. I don't think he's touching this one. Zichakwinika goes back. He has been fantastic. Stepped up and played really well alongside Inacio Miguel. So we are going to keep the same back four in the middle of the park. Sibongiseni Mthethwa goes back as the number 6. Spesihle Ndlovu goes back as the number 8. He was really, really outstanding against Golden Arrows. What a good performance on and off the ball. I think he was one of our best players on the pitch in that game. And in front of them as the number 10, I'm expecting to see Gaston Sereno coming in from Tutuzi Shabalala. Gaston Sereno has been coming on from the bench all season, and whenever he comes in, he makes an impact. We looked very, very better with Gaston Sereno on the pitch. So, and Tutuzi Shabalala didn't have a great game against Golden Arrows, didn't have a great game against Mamelodi Sundowns. So I think this time Gaston Sereno is going to start as the number 10. On the right, of course, Claude Lelepo. On the left, I think Pule Modi goes back, and up front, Flavio Silva comes in for Ashley Dupree. Dupree obviously didn't have a good game against Golden Arrows. Flavio Silva came in and scored. I think Flavio Silva is going to start this game. Dupree has failed to impress. He has only played 3 games. 4 games played. Hasn't been on his best. I look at Wandile Duba, also not on his best. He missed the game against Golden Arrows. Khanyisa Mayo obviously won't play against Sekhukhune. Definitely won't start. Chosai Kodaro is still injured. Tashrik Morris not part of the plans. Hlongwane, I also don't think he will start ahead of Flavio Silva. We are pretty blessed in that number 9 position, but let's see how this one works out. So back to the game. This is, as I've said, this is going to be a very, very difficult game. My prediction, as I've said, they have a really, really good attack. I saw these guys dominating Orlando Pirates at Orlando Stadium. They're a very, very good team. Trust me. We have the best defense in the league currently. But I think the only time we faced an attack which was asking questions, knocking on the door, it was against Stellenbosch in that first half. And against Golden Arrows, I think we were tested. They were creating chances. They were getting in our box, and we were saved by the goalkeeper and the post, So I think we are going to concede in this game. I think we are going to concede. I'm going to go for a 1-1 draw. Yeah, I'm going to go for 1-1 draw. I'd love to see a win, of course. I want to win this game, but my prediction is a 1-1 draw. And I tell you what, I will take it. I would be considering, of course, the performance, but I think I would be happy with a draw against a good team like Sekhukhune United. Let me know your thoughts on the predicted starting 11 and the prediction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.